right? The Executive Director Buenaventura is directed to read the letter. That is in relation to the submission of the documents.
Subject subpoena ad testificandum et duces tecum issued by the House of Representatives Committee on Justice in relation to the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. This refers to the issuance of the House of Representatives Committee on Justice of the subpoena ad testificandum et duces tecum in relation to the verified complaints for impeachment against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, requiring the Anti-Money Laundering Council or AMLC to bring on or before 22 April 2026, 10 a.m., the original or certified true copies of all reports of covert transactions and suspicious transactions reported by any and all banks to the Anti-Money Laundering Council or AMLC involving Sara Duterte, Carpio, and or Manasseh Carpio, covering the period starting from 2006 to 2025, and any and all investigations or reports or related reports or documents prepared by AMLC involving the reported covert transactions and suspicious transactions. In compliance with the subpoena, the AMLC formally transmits the original and or certified true copies of the following documents. So Annex A, Covert Transaction Report, CTRs, and Suspicious Transaction Reports, or STRs, for the period 2006 to 2025. Annex B, Financial Intelligence Reports on Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio, and Annex C, Investigation Reports on A, Manasseh Carpio, and B, Sara Duterte Carpio, and Manasseh Carpio. We also provide the following summary. For Sara Duterte Carpio, number of CTRs, 313, number of STRs, 17, total amount involved, 3,772,760,972 pesos and 48 centavos. Total amount of inflow, 1,832,539,360 pesos and 45 centavos. Total amount of outflow, 1,211,365,529 pesos and 75 centavos. For Manasseh Carpio, number of CTRs, 317, number of STRs, 16, total amount involved, 2,998,466,740 and 47 centavos. Total amount of inflow, 2,592,904 2,592,904,434 pesos and 24 centavos. Total amount of outflow, 343,315,781 pesos and 7 centavos. Total for both, 630, number of CTRs, 630, number of STRs, 33, total amount involved, 6,721,227,712.95 and 95 centavos. Total amount of inflow, 4,425,443,794 and 69 centavos. Total amount of outflow, 1,554,681,310 and 82 centavos. There are undetermined inflow or outflow transactions based on our system, but we see transaction movement, so we categorize it as undetermined. So that is 791,102,607 and 44 centavos.
Just for the record, ED, are the figures accurate? Yes or no?
As of we submitted today, yes.
Are they accurate?
Based on our records, yes.
You're saying yes.
Based on the records,
That's
yes.
for the record.
Madam Chair, wala po yan sa salin.
Honorable Shua, do you want to be recognized?
Sinasabi ko lang po. Eh di wow.
Madam Chair, if I
Madam
may-
Chair,
Madam Chair, if I may be allowed to proceed.
Wait. The floor is with the Honorable Ridon.
Thank you for reading for the record the cover letter.
You will be called Vice Chair Dumogan after the Honorable
no.
Ridon.
It's not a question, may we be furnished copies of
Yes.
that report submitted for our guidance?
May we direct the COMSEC to please provide copy of
Yes.
the cover letter, at least para mabilis, no? Because the attachments are really voluminous. Kindly provide Justice members copy of the cover letter.
Madam Chair, Madam Chair,
Wait.
Madam Chair,
Is
regarding,
this a point of order?
regarding the
Because the
copies
floor is
of-
with the
no,
Honorable Tino.
just with regard to the request for copies,
Yes.
kasi actually kanina pa kahit yung mga SALN, bibigyan daw kami pero hindi rin naman nabigyan pa.
I think the photocopier is in the
Oh.
other building.
Yes, baka pwede po yung e-copy na muna kung meron.
Email.
Baka mas mabilis.
Okay.
Opo,
COMSEC,
para may reference kami.
kindly send soft copy to the corresponding email accounts of the Justice members of the available documents already. Honorable Ridon, you may proceed.
Okay, ngayon naman po pag-usapan po natin yung mga detalye nito po nga mga transactions po na ito. I have a document with me which is titled Confidential Information Sharing, subject Vice President Sara Duterte and Manasseh R. Carpio. Do you have the same copy, Executive
Yes, Madam
Director
Chair.
Benaventura?
Yeah.
Can we flash the document on the screen, please, Secretariat? So we would want to direct the Executive Director not to read the entirety of it because it is a bit voluminous, but we would want him to read particular portions of it. I refer you to page 2 of the document, Summary of Transactions. Can you read from that point until
Can
number
we flash the document referred to by the Honorable Ridon? COMSEC, please be directed as well to provide a copy of this summary of transactions to the Justice members.
Can we suspend so that we can flash the document for the benefit of everyone, Madam Chair?
COMSEC, please flash the document summary of transactions.
Oh. Ano to? Parang initial.
Madam Chair, can we suspend until we can flash the document to the screen, please?
Hearing is temporarily suspended. Wala ba kayo?